Hello everyone, I am here to explain about the Picasso Art Institute and provide a review of it. I am an IT professional and I was looking for an alternate source of income and came to, and as well as try to improvise my hobbies. So from childhood I have interest in drawing, painting and all that. So through word of mouth I came to know about Picasso Art Institute. So I joined this institute. It's been almost 3 months and I'm really very happy with the progress that I have made so far. If I have to talk about three best things about Picasso Art Institute, first I'll talk about the syllabus. Okay, when you say syllabus, every institute will have some syllabus or the other, but the syllabus that's been designed for Picasso is basically been, I'll say, like detailed analysis has been made by sir by observing like hundreds of students and coming up with a structured syllabus. And at the same time, I'll not say that he'll be fixed with that syllabus. It will be customized based on the capability and capacity of the student. So that comes the first point. And the second point I'll like to say is about Ramesh sir. So he is a very renowned, famous artist, I'll say, and the kind of guidance and the attentiveness that he provides, he always gives individual attention to everybody, and he is of great support. He has won many awards and accolades, and you could very often see his photograph in the newspapers also. The third point that I like to talk about is about the commercial element. So when I was looking for some art institute, I came across many commercial institutes where the goal was just to earn money or make their living. But here what I observed is Ramesh sir has a vision, which is like he wants to improve the art culture around himself, and what he has observed is like the type of teaching that's been given in other institutes. It's more of a commercial base, like art per piece. So they'll teach one or two art pieces, and they'll think that they are done with the course. But here what I have observed is like sir teaches from the basics, and it is never commercial. Though they say that it's a 3 months course, even if you are continuing for 4 or 5 months, no questions asked, till you get the grip of it and handle and the satisfaction out of what you have done. He is there for you, and not a single penny charged extra. So that said, so I'll just recommend that if somebody is looking for a good art institute and at the same time looking for an alternate source of income, this is the best course. This is the best institute and the best course to join. Thank you.